Asteroid 2024 YR4 is one of the most intriguing near-Earth objects to capture the attention of astronomers in recent months. Originally considered a potential threat to our planet, its orbit has since shifted focus toward a surprising new target, our Moon. This asteroid has undergone a fascinating observational journey since its discovery, with updated data revealing new possibilities that could lead to a spectacular lunar event. In this video, we will explore the story behind Asteroid 2024 YR4, how scientists are tracking it, what makes it special, and what it would mean if it actually struck the Moon. This cosmic traveler in detail, uncovering its path, characteristics, and the implications of its potential lunar impact. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was first observed on December 27, 2024, by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, in Rio Hurtado, Chile. Initial observations raised concerns due to its Earth-crossing orbit and its estimated size. Early calculations suggested a 3.1% chance of the asteroid impacting Earth on December 22, 2032, a probability significant enough to warrant close monitoring by astronomers and planetary defense experts. The potential impact zone extended across various regions, including the Eastern Pacific Ocean, Northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Central Africa, and into South Asia. An Earth impact could have resulted in an explosion equivalent to several megatons of TNT, capable of causing significant localized destruction. This level of threat elevated 2024 YR4 to a 3 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, which classifies potential asteroid threats. In response, the global astronomical community mobilized to refine the asteroid's trajectory. Observations from ground-based telescopes and space-based assets like the James Webb Space Telescope were used to track its path with precision. By late February 2025, new calculations reduced the probability of an Earth impact to nearly zero, effectively removing it from the list of imminent threats. However, as the asteroid's refined orbit pulled away from Earth, it moved slightly closer to the Moon. This recalibration revealed a new possibility, a 3.8% chance of impacting the Moon on the same date, December 22, 2032. While Earth is now safe, the Moon has become a new focus of scientific interest. Understanding the physical characteristics of 2024 YR4 is crucial for predicting its behavior and modeling potential impact scenarios. Thanks to high-resolution infrared observations from Webb, astronomers have refined their measurements. The asteroid is now believed to be about 60 meters in diameter, roughly the height of a 15-story building. But size isn't its only notable trait. This asteroid rotates at an astonishing pace, completing a full spin roughly every 19.5 minutes. This classifies it as a fast rotator, a category not commonly observed among near-Earth objects. Such rapid rotation implies a high degree of structural integrity. If it were a loosely bound rubble pile, the spin would likely tear it apart. Instead, it's more likely a monolithic or coherent rocky body. Another standout feature is its shape. Observations from the Gemini South Observatory in Chile suggest that YR4 has a flattened, disc-like shape, somewhat like a spinning hockey puck. This is unusual among asteroids, which are often irregular or elongated. Combined with its fast rotation, this shape could influence how it would interact with a planetary surface during impact. Spectral data adds another layer to our understanding. The asteroid appears to be composed primarily of silicate-rich materials, classifying it as an S-type asteroid. These stony asteroids are believed to originate in the inner asteroid belt and are some of the most common near-Earth objects. Learning more about their composition helps us understand the early solar system and informs future strategies for deflection or resource utilization. Knowing an asteroid's size, composition, shape, and spin helps model its behavior during close passes or potential impacts, and allows scientists to create more accurate simulations and contingency plans. The possibility of 2024 YR4 impacting the Moon opens the door to a rare and scientifically valuable event. Should the asteroid collide with the lunar surface on December 22, 2032, it's projected to create a crater between 500 to 2,000 meters in diameter. The energy released would be equivalent to approximately 5.2 megatons of TNT, roughly 340 times that of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. This explosion would produce a flash of light visible from Earth, particularly in the Americas, Pacific, and Asia, depending on the time and angle of the impact. The flash would only last a few seconds, but its scientific value would be long-lasting. With no atmosphere to shield or soften the blow, the Moon's surface would capture the event in stunning clarity, providing scientists a front-row seat to a naturally occurring impact event. Such an event would allow researchers to observe real-time crater formation and study the mechanics of high-speed collisions in space. If seismometers are placed on the Moon by upcoming missions, the shock waves from the impact could reveal valuable data about the Moon's interior structure. It's a unique opportunity to gain insight into planetary geology without needing to stage a controlled experiment. Additionally, the impact may eject material from the Moon into space. While most of this debris would fall back to the lunar surface, a small amount could escape lunar gravity and eventually land on Earth as meteorites. These newly formed lunar meteorites would be scientifically priceless, offering fresh samples from beneath the Moon's surface. A high-visibility lunar impact could also captivate public attention worldwide. The event could be live-streamed, creating a global moment of scientific engagement and possibly inspiring new interest in space science. It would serve as a powerful reminder of why asteroid detection and tracking efforts are so important. Looking ahead, more Webb observations of this asteroid are scheduled for late April or early May 2025. These will further refine our understanding of the asteroid's orbit and physical properties. Whether or not an impact occurs, the case of this asteroid has already proven the value of international collaboration, rapid data collection, and proactive space monitoring. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive into the incredible journey of asteroid 2024 YR4. Whether it collides with the Moon or continues its voyage through space, one thing is certain: it's already leaving a mark on science. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next space story.